Hello everyone and welcome to another Smart Arts Weekly Challenge video. My name is Jake and today we'll be doing the second challenge prompt for this month, that word being crystal. Now let me be crystal clear here. This is going to be one awesome drawing. So one of the first things that came to mind when I heard the word crystal was Indiana Jones and all his ancient artifact gathering. Another thing that came to mind was goblins and their love for treasures and all that kind of stuff. So I decided it would be pretty fun to kind of mash up the two and make an Indiana Jones as like a goblin who found this ancient crystal. I really thought this idea was pretty fun and I had a blast doing this mashup. Another thing I wanted to keep in mind when I was making this piece was I wanted it to feel as it was part of the same collection as the other two drawings I've done with this box so far. But I will be quiet and let you all enjoy this, and I will see you at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is it. Our completed piece using the word crystal. Now I think this turned out really cool, but you're gonna have to let me know what you think down below. Now don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts. If you don't know where they are, check the back of your brochure. They're gonna be right on the bottom corner there for you. And make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one where I try to tackle these challenges myself. And if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link's gonna be down in the description. But that is all for today everyone, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!